Hey Shugs, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. Today is week 1 of Sparkling Spectrumite and myself, our event, Fantastic Felines 2024. Super excited to be doing this event during the month of August. I can't thank Hannah enough for co-hosting with me. Please make sure you follow Hannah on her YouTube channel for alternating weeks so you can watch her videos for keywords. I will have her YouTube channel down below in the description. Okay, so normally we do WIP Chats, but I decided why not do an unboxing for the first video, because this unboxing is very special and very, very much has to do with the event we have going on right now. And I'm super excited. I haven't looked at it yet. It's been sitting on my table for a couple of days. I wanted to open it, but I couldn't do it. I wanted to open it here on the channel for week 1 of the event. So let me talk about the event before I open this. The event is, highlighting cats. Hannah and I both love cats. She has 5 cats. I have 3 cats. We both just recently adopted new cats. So yeah, it's all about cats. Any cat, big, small, medium size, it doesn't matter. Any cat. We'd love to have you participate in the event and join in, show us progress photos on Instagram. Yeah, it's just something we wanted to do to highlight cats. We have some amazing sponsors. I'm going to list all the sponsors down in the description below. I can't thank the sponsors enough for their generosity. So thank you very much. So yes, so we hope you join us for the event going on in August. Cats, Fantastic Felines 2024. Okay. All right. So, and I'm going to give you keywords to put in the comments down below if you want to be eligible for the prize for week 1. The prizes for week 1 are going to be an awesome Enablers Outpost pen that's got little paws inside of it. You're going to get a Bijou Bliss tray and a tin of WeWex. So those are the prizes for week 1. So if you're interested in those prizes, make sure you use the keyword in the comments down below once I give it to you. Okay, so we're going to open this. Now, this is from Enablers Outpost. And I just want to highlight the fact that Enablers Outpost is now doing custom diamond paintings. So this is a custom diamond painting that I ordered from Enablers Outpost. And let me tell you what, it got here in record time. I think it got here within a month. So kudos to Elizabeth over at Enablers Outpost for the speedy delivery of this. I was hoping to get it for the event, and I did, so we're going to get into it. But yeah, this is a custom diamond painting. So if you are interested in a custom diamond painting, I highly recommend you to check out Enablers Outpost. I will have a link down below for the actual page on their website for custom diamond paintings, so you can, see if this is something that interests you. All right, look at this. You get branded washi tape. I'm so excited. I already have one of these, but I'm getting a second one too. This is great. Look here. Branded washi tape with their logo. Isn't that great? Oh my gosh. Absolutely love it. I'm a branding person, so yes. Okay. So this is a custom diamond painting. Are you guys ready? I haven't opened this yet. I might zoom out just a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of nervous. Kind of nervous, kind of not, kind of nervous. I know it's going to be great. No, it's going to be great. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is a custom diamond painting of my girls. This is Zoe and this is Skylar, or as Elizabeth likes to call her, Chloe. She calls my cats Zoe and Chloe. All right, hold on. You got to see the picture. I need to roll it backwards the other way. Oh my gosh. Elizabeth, this looks fantastic. I am so excited to start working on this one. See, now I've got to get accustomed with sterling too, though. Okay, here we go. Look at that, you guys. So with a custom, what you do is you pick a picture. I think I picked like 3 or 4 pictures and sent Elizabeth 3 or 4 pictures, and she chose which one she thought was going to look best as far as rendering for a custom. So this one was the best option, and there was a lot of communication back and forth between me and Elizabeth. It was an amazing experience. I highly recommend you to check out Enabler's Outpost for a custom diamond painting. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what all comes with it. Let's see here. Okay, so you get your sticker sheet, which all of these stickers are individually cut out for you. I'm just rolling it the other way so it'll lay a little flat. So it looks like we've got 42 colors. Oh my gosh. And again, these are, like I said, these are individually cut to put on your baggies. Okay, so these are resin square drills. This is in a 50 by 75 centimeter. And it's Zoe and Skylar. Oh my gosh, look. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's your sticker sheet. And then this is your reference sheet. This is great because you can go through this sheet and check off that you have all of the colors. Awesome. Love the fact that you get an inventory sheet and your sticker sheet. Okay, super excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, you get a note. Welcome to your next diamond painting product. Oh, this is a thank you note. Wow. And what's great is you've got an email here. So if you run into issues, you can contact them directly. If you miss drills or anything like that, all you got to do is message Enabler's Outpost and they will take care of it for you. So yay. Oh my gosh. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Look at these drills. Look at these drills. Look. And again, these are resin square drills. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, now let me look at the sheet. Let's see. All right, so it looks like I've got three special colors. So let's see. You probably hear Sterling in the background. He's upset because I locked him out of the room while I make a video because I can't watch him. Let's see. We're going to open these up. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is the quality on this is just amazing. I'm going to do a close-up of the canvas so you can see the drill field in a minute. Okay, let's see here. So the last couple of colors, I think they're going to be shimmer drills. 42, yes. Okay, 41 and 40. Okay, yeah, we're going to look at those. Okay, let's see. Just putting those over to the side. Putting that over to the side. Okay, let's see here. I'm working with some natural light. I put my lights on low up here because it is a little bit overcast today. All right, so 42 is the up arrow. Okay, so all of this, here, let me stand up and show you. So all of this right here, you see all these up arrows? All of this, all through here, anywhere there's going to be some white, you're going to have these awesome shimmer drills. Oh my gosh, I love shimmer drills. I absolutely love shimmer drills. And then you're going to have 41 and 42, which are like really pretty, like grays and like a blue gray. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited. Look, down at the bottom, you've got, that's my first name and my initial, and then the title. And then, of course, you've got your Enablers Outpost logo up here. You've got your key code legend there, your key code legend here. The canvas is great quality. It's nice and thick. It's sturdy, but it's also got a soft background, but it's not too soft. It's amazing. It's amazing. Y'all, it has good plastic. I'm so excited. Elizabeth's new manufacturer has good plastic. Y'all know me and my plastic. I'm like a plastic fanatic. It doesn't wrinkle. It's a little bit thicker. Oh my gosh. So sticky, you guys. Oh, wow. Yay. I am just so excited. Look at this. Okay. So you're going to get to sit here and look at Zoe and Skylar. All right. So the key words for week 1. Toe beans. Toe beans. TOEBEANS. Usually I pop it up in the screen. I'm not going to do that because what I've noticed is a lot of people just fast forward until they see the words pop up on the screen and they don't watch the video. So I'm not going to put it up on the screen. Keyword, toe beans, plural, toe beans, for little toe beans for kitties. So use that in a sentence down in the comments below to be eligible for the week 1 prize, which, like I said, is going to be an Enablers Outpost pen, cat theme pen, a bijou bliss tray, and a tin of wee wax. Yes. Okay. Y'all, I'm just so excited. Oh, look how sticky this is. Okay. All right. I'm also going to show you guys what I am working on for my first canvas of the event. Here, let me get it off my light board. Hold on. Okay. So this is the first canvas I am working on. This is also from Enablers Outpost, but this is called Playing Cat and Mouse. So I have gotten all of this guy down here done. And believe it or not, I know you can't see that. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it backwards and show you. Those are all shimmer drills in that cat. Isn't that great? This is like the cutest image ever. So that's what I'm working on. I've gotten this whole cat done, half of this cat. I've been checkerboarding, if you can see that. I absolutely love to checkerboard on squares. Absolutely love it. So hopefully I'll finish this one quickly. And you know what? I don't care. I'm still going to go ahead and start working on this. Gonna start working on this one, y'all. Look at the babies. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, so please let me know also in the comments below with your keyword toe beans. Let me know what you're working on if you are joining us for the event. And even if you're not joining us for the event, let me know what you're working on in the comments down below. And of course, we're going to use cat emojis for comments for all my beautiful lurkers out there. And I just want to say, even if you're not actively participating in the event, I'd love to, just see what you're working on, show us on Instagram. I like seeing what everybody's working on, whether it be for the event or not. And there are lots of awesome events going on right now. There's Oz in August, AB's in August, Fantastic Felines 2024. Diamond Painting Fanatics is doing an event. I think it's for Diamond Painting for the Love of Art. All kinds of awesome events going on right now. So definitely feel free to double, triple, quadruple dip in events. I always say the more the merrier. So yay, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Enablers Outpost, for my beautiful custom diamond painting of the girls. It's gorgeous. It's awesome. The rendering is great. It looks exactly like the photo. I was a little concerned about the background because where the girls sit right here is in front of my fireplace, and the fireplace has glass doors with, you know, some brass on the glass doors. That's what that is. But with how big we were able to make their faces, the background isn't going to be what you focus on. You're going to focus on this. There were a couple other pictures that we put in the background just didn't look, it didn't look right to me. So, or to Elizabeth, but this turned out amazing. Just absolutely perfect. This is the epitome of my girls. And for those of you that are wondering what breed they are Lilac Point Siamese girls. They are sisters from the same litter, and we got them in 2020, right at the height of COVID. So yes, but they are my beautiful girls. Absolutely love them. So anyway, all right, let me know in the comments down below what you're working on. Cat emoji, keyword. And yeah, stay tuned next week for Hannah's video with keywords on that one. And we will announce the winners from week 1 on Hannah's video next week. So stay tuned for that. I'll have all the information down in the description below, as well as the Google document form that you need to fill out to be eligible for prizes. So, and follow us on Instagram. I will have all of the information down below. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you for all of your support, and love you, Shugs.